Looks like Sanjay and Richie had a good time. Now let's move on to the Intense 5. Did Poppy respond to Danique with a diss track? Strong possibility. The recently held Caribbean Music Awards looks like a blast, especially when Skeng hit the stage. Huge big up to all winners! So last week we spoke about Erica Mena and her disrespectful comments towards Spice. Well, Love and Hip Hop have cut her from the show completely because of that racial slur. Psycho. Where is Medic? Dancehall artist Medic has been missing for almost 2 weeks now with no leads. Her family has offered a reward of $500,000 for any information. If you know anything, please help. And finally holding the spot this week, the latest dancehall beef, Octane versus Malidon. So apparently, Mali called Octane's name in a song and that didn't go down too well with the hot Ras. So of course he responded, but could this be a precursor to Sting? I don't know. Clash time, I'm just saying. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember, if there's anything you want to see make the list, hit us up on IG at TVJ Intense.